How's it going, guys? Mr. Black here again with your weekly update. Happy to be back on camera for you yet again. Despite all of my efforts to trip and fall and never come back, I'm still kicking. Guys, I'm so proud of the week that you just had. It was awesome. We had Zoom classes with 7th grade band, 8th grade band. I had connections times with more than 10 students. We are rocking and we are rolling, and I love everything that we've got going for us. You know, this week had a lot of new things. Like, for example, we started checking out band labs, which was pretty cool. We had another assignment with our handbook, so hopefully you did that one. Hint, hint, if you didn't, let's get that done. And we also kind of explored a little bit of, playing some concert music. And what's really exciting, and students, I'm really proud of you, is that we're going to be playing music that no one else has played yet. I'm writing music for you, just for you guys, and only you guys, which is really cool. So 8th grade, we're playing a pretty awesome rendition of the Black Panther. In 7th grade, we're playing a really, really awesome original piece for us called And So It Begins. And so, like I said, it does begin. This is awesome. Guys, it was an amazing week, and I'm so excited about the things that you've achieved. So, let's check out this week's Worthingway's Curiosities and Mysteries, because I think, is that true? It's true. Okay. I think I can finally show you what the Worthingway band room now looks like. I hope you're excited. Hype train's rolling. Let's go. All right, guys, here we are. We're gonna finally check out what the space looks like. I hope you're excited. I'm pumped. Can't wait. See you there. Let's take a look. Guys, have you seen the new band space?
Yes, it's amazing.
Oh my gosh, okay, wait, where do I go? Where is it?
It's Korey.
Have you seen the new band space?
Yes.
Where is it?
Down the hall.
This just it. What? Oh my gosh, did you hear? Did you hear?
Hear what?
The band room. It's new. It's done.
The awesome new band room's done?
Yeah, have you seen it? Have you seen it?
No.
Oh my god, do you know where I should go?
It's down the hall.
Down the hallway. Okay,
Check it out. It's amazing.
Mrs. Newcomb. Oh my god. Have you seen the new band space?
Oh my gosh, I have seen the new band space. It is amazing.
It's amazing.
You've got to see it right away.
Oh my god. Okay, where is it?
Oh, it's just down the hallway. You can do it. You can do it. I believe in you.
Oh, Mrs. Fidel. I heard the band room is like done. Have you seen it? Where is it?
I've seen it.
Yeah, and?
It's not done yet.
All right, well, I got you, and I'm glad that I got you. Haha. Next week, I promise, I'll show you what it looks like, but this does give me a chance to give you the opportunity. Folks, if you want to be one of the first 15 students to see the new Worthingway band space, there's a little bit of a challenge for you. I'm asking students to record and submit to me themselves playing 2 scales. 2 scales for 8th grade, sorry, 1 scale for 7th grade. If you are one of those 15, you just got to submit 2 scales for 8th grade or 1 scale for 7th grade. I will put you into our pool, and the first 15 students to do so will get a one-on-one Zoom link with me checking out the brand new band space before anyone else. All right, so I'm sorry about faking you out there, but I'm excited to give you that band space next week. Let's check out right now what we're going to be doing in Korey's Corner, which this week is arts and crafts, and it will be helpful. So let's check out Korey's Corner. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, it's me, Mr. Black, and we're back here in Korey's Corner, and I am so excited you are here. Today it's Arts and Crafts Day on the weekly update, and I'm very excited to show you. A lot of you have been asking, Mr. Black, how do we get ready with the band PPE? And we get the face mask and the bell cover and all that. So this week I wanted to show you kind of how I do my face mask. This is a mask that I actually bought from Meyer. It's got pineapples on it. You can see it's pretty cool. And it works really well. And the first step you want to do is make sure you know which side is up and down. For this, my nose is the top part. Oops, sorry, here we go. The nose is the top part right here. This is where the mouth goes. And the reason why that's important is because when you fold it, you want to know where to cut, because we're going to cut just a little bit lower than the nose. So you take your mask. This works for surgical masks too, like I said. And you're going to take a safe pair of scissors. Don't go running with scissors. I know if you will, don't run with scissors. And all you're going to do is you're going to go in about, I'd say, about ½ an inch. And you're just going to take a small little cut. And what happens when you do that is you create a mask that you can easily play an instrument to. All you have to do is just pinch and move and put the mouthpiece right there. And it's really important that we have these because it makes us safe to be able to have music and have band class, regardless if it's inside or outside. It helps us become even safer, and that's what we want this school year. So, just as a review, in Korey's Corner this week we covered creating a slit face mask for band, also known as a band mask. Flutes, don't worry, I've got a special one for you guys coming very shortly. And we'll also talk about bell covers. So, that's it for Korey's Corner. Hope you enjoyed it. Wait. I'm out of coffee? I'm out of coffee. Oh, hey guys, sorry, I'm out of coffee. I better get some coffee. Before I do, let's talk about this upcoming week. This upcoming week, some important things you need to know about. Number one, you're gonna have your first ever video assignment from Schoology. Now don't freak out, it's not like playing too much, but it's a chance for you to play your instrument, for me to hear it, and for you to tell me your favorite type of fast food, which I like a lot of, and you all know that is Taco Bell. Anyways, so that's going to be due next Friday. That is Friday the 18th. That is when that will be due. And we're going to make sure that we have time in class to do that as well, so that you guys don't really have to worry about that as homework. 8th grade, we'll be exploring some more parts to Black Panther, and 7th grade, we'll be exploring some more parts to And So It Begins. Wait, what's that sound? Wait, what? 8th grade, do you hear that? Whoa. 8th grade, we're going to start taking a look at a song called Stand Up and Cheer next week. I hope you're excited for that. That's our high school fight song. It's pretty sweet, so I hope you're pumped for that. And guys, it's going to be an amazing week. Seriously. One thing I forgot to mention. If you have some type of performance where you're playing a song or you wrote a song on Band Labs or any of that, share it with me, and that can be a video presentation during next week's weekly update. Oh, there's free coffee in the... Okay, there's free coffee in the lounge. I gotta go. Guys, have an amazing week. See you later. Bye-bye!